Welcome back, aspiring entrepreneurs. I'm Bolt Jackson, and this is Business Basics 101. In our last episode, we explored how to find your perfect business idea. Today, we're diving deeper into the world of market research to help you understand your target market and analyze your competitors. So, let's get started. Market research is the backbone of any successful business. It helps you identify your target customers, understand their needs and preferences, and analyze your competition. In this episode, we'll break down the process into 4 essential steps. First, you need to define your target market. Who are the people most likely to buy your product or service? Consider factors such as age, gender, location, income, and interests. The more specific you can be, the better you'll understand your potential customers and tailor your offerings to their needs. Now that you've defined your target market, it's time to gather data. There are 2 types of data you'll need, primary and secondary. Primary data comes directly from your target customers through methods like surveys, interviews, and focus groups. Secondary data is information that's already been collected by others, such as market reports, articles, and statistics. With your target market data in hand, it's time to scope out the competition. Who are your main competitors, and what are their strengths and weaknesses? Analyze their products, pricing, marketing strategies, and customer reviews to identify areas where you can outshine them and carve out your own niche in the market. Finally, use your market and competitor research to identify opportunities and threats. Opportunities are areas where you can capitalize on unmet customer needs or gaps in the market. Threats are potential challenges or obstacles that could hinder your business's success, such as new competitors or changing market trends. By following these 4 steps, you'll gain valuable insights into your target market and competitors, helping you make informed decisions as you build and grow your business. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more you know about your market, the better equipped you'll be to succeed in the competitive world of entrepreneurship. Before we wrap up, folks, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of future business legends. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with all the latest episodes of Business Basics 101, ensuring you have the knowledge and tools to conquer the entrepreneurial world. So go ahead, click that button, and let's continue this journey together.